This is Crystal Hart from the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going to go over the new Google Classroom integration with Google Meet. Open up your Google Classroom that you're using with your students and click on the Settings cogwheel. Scroll down under General and you'll see that there is now a Meets option. As the teacher, you will need to generate the Meet link. This Meet link will be the same for students every time they join a Meet in your classroom. Once you generate a link, it will now be visible to students. Click Save, and you'll notice on your stream in the banner there is a Google Meets link. Students will not be able to join this Google Meet unless the teacher has started the Google Meet. Teachers will also be able to remove all the students and end the Google Meet. Students will not be able to rejoin this Google Meet until the teacher re-enters the Google Meets. Here I am as a student in this Google Classroom, and if I try to start my Google Meet without my teacher being there, I'll notice that the meeting code does not work. Back as the teacher, when I'm ready, I can start my Google Meet, and no one is in there because I have not entered. Once I click Join Now, students will be able to join using the link in my classroom. Here I am back as a student. I click the link, my teacher's in there and ready, and I can join the Google Meet. Back as the teacher, when I'm ready to end my Meet, I can tell my students to please leave my Google Meet. Also, if there are some students lingering, I can go ahead and click on the People tab, click the caret down, and I can remove the student from the link. Back in the Student tab, I can see that someone has removed me from the meeting and I do not have the option to rejoin the meeting. As a teacher, I want to be the last one in the call, and when I am done, I will click Leave Call. Only the teacher has the option to rejoin the meeting. Once the teacher has been the last one to leave the Google Meet, the meeting code link will no longer work. This usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. After this point, when the student tries to use the Google Meet link and the teacher is not in the Google Meet, they will receive this message. If the teacher does not want the Meet link visible, they can click on the Setting cogwheel, scroll down, and slide so that the link is no longer visible for students. Do not forget to click Save. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short tutorial on the Google Classroom update, which now includes Google Meet integration.